it's Melanie. Welcome back to my channel. That was aggressive, sorry, where I talk about how I save money and how I make money and I sit here and have a drink with you. Today we're going to talk about how Groupon works. Hey guys, it's Melanie. Dollar Tree DIY. Storage solutions for small houses. Like makeover. Let me show you what I got. I washed all of my clothes together. Let's go make something. Okay, so if you don't know what Groupon is just a site where you can go buy discounted things. My favorite thing to buy there are like things to do if I'm gonna be on vacation or I'm gonna be traveling, or maybe I'm here in Ohio and I want something to do with my kids, and you can buy stuff to do discounted. You can also buy like massages and different things like that. But there are more ways to save on Groupon, and I need you to know this. Okay, so anyway, let's talk a little bit more about how Groupon works before we talk about the 5 ways to save. And if you already know how Groupon works, please bear with me for one more minute. So anyway, you buy the Groupon if it's for a thing to do, and then you get a voucher and you take it in, and it might be something for free and you just give it to them, or it might be for a discount. I've never had a problem. I know some people every once in a blue moon may, but I've never had a problem with Groupon. And I've done it a lot, like a whole lot. You can also buy things directly through, and it's just like buying something from Amazon. Sometimes it's cheap, sometimes it's not. It just depends. But I have purchased things to Groupon. I've actually purchased like Brain Quest curriculum, which was really cool, and scarves and all kind of cool stuff through there. So you never know what you're gonna find. So if you purchase something, it just ships like it does on Amazon. If you purchase like an experience, then you get a little voucher, you show it. Totally cool. I have a video on that. I'll link it below. So Groupon, you can get stuff, you know, your experiences, your stuff. It's cheap, it's discounted, but there's 5 ways to save even more. First thing you're gonna do is wait to see if something goes on sale. This is usually for things to do. So maybe I want that back massage. Well, sometimes they'll have like an extra 20% off or an extra $2 off or something, your things to do section. So you can save an extra 20% off of that already discounted back massage or thing to do or hotel or whatever. So wait for a discount. The second thing you're gonna do is try to use a discounted gift card. You can go through, think Target, I think raise.com, I'll link that below, raise.com. You can get like 4% off of your gift card. So it's an extra 4% off of your savings that you're already getting. Also, you want to use a cashback credit card if you can to purchase that. Maybe you're going to use it at Target, maybe you're going to do it at raise.com. I use a cashback credit card that gets 1 to 5% cash back. So you're going to get 5% cash back on the discounted gift card that you're going to use. Does that make sense? Number 4, use a cashback site like Rakuten. You can use the cashback site to buy your discounted gift card, and then you can go back in and use the cashback site on Groupon. So you're like double dipping and saving extra money on like 1 to 10% cash back on both purchases. The last thing is use the referral link if you can. I know I'm gonna put my referral link below, and if someone signs up, you get like a free $10 or whatever the referral thing is then, and then you just use that for like for free stuff. So I'm a fan of free stuff. Anyway, that is it. I know, super quick, short video. If there's any other ways you know to save, please let me know. Please stay and subscribe for saving money and all that stuff. And that is it, guys. Bye, I love yous.